Oh yeah, so we'll go and have a look at the Miele brand.
Wow.
Yeah, there's quite a few.
It's a great
ranges.
range. They look great
Yeah.
in that grid like that. They have multiple appliances too.
They do, and of course, with that you've got your grey break in the colour. They come in white as well.
Yeah.
And
Like they're a
then
good looking appliance. They're known for their quality and reliability
They-
and
they
longevity
do.
too.
Yeah, they pride themselves on the fact that they say you'll get 20 years life out of your product, and it's as the amount of hours you use the unit over that period of time. We've got the more entry, mid, and top of the line.
And the top of
So
the line has more functions, or is it larger
more
capacity?
functions.
or-
It actually can open that and
Yeah.
have a look. That slides back.
Oh, beautiful.
And it's touch control, so the operation is, I'd let you touch that and have a play with it, push it in,
Yeah.
should work, and then lights up and you just scroll through it and just hit the OK button, and you can see how easy it is to operate with, yeah, touch control.
Very
Select.
simple. Eco.
Yeah,
Very direct.
yeah, it's
Yes.
very easy to use, their laundry. They have always been renowned for their wet products particularly, which is their dishwashers and laundry, but of course their cooking is fantastic also.
They're beautiful looking too.
Oh look, they're well made. They really are well constructed.